This is the tutorial for the bunny string art kit. You will need the kit, which will include the board, yarn, and pom-pom. You'll need a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. Your kits will come with a piece of paper on top. Take a picture of that, rip it off, and then we'll start. Taking the yarn bundle, find the strand wrapped around the middle of the yarn and unravel it. With that same strand of yarn, we will do a loop up in the air, and this is how we will tie our knot. Take that loop and tuck it onto any one of the nails, push it down to the board, and pull it tight. After the knot is secure, we will go ahead and outline the bunny. I do this just so I can see the exact shape and where exactly we need to fill in. As you are outlining, make sure that you're pushing your yarn all the way down to the base of the nails. This is a super important step throughout the entire string art process. This is what the outline should look like when finished. Push all the way down to the board. Once you have completed the outline, it is time to fill in. There is not a certain way that you need to fill in your bunny. You can jump all over, or you can do a pattern kind of like I'm showing. The point is just to fill in your shape with your yarn. How much you fill in is totally your preference. A lot of string art, you do still see the board behind it. I personally like to fill mine in completely to where you can't see it. That is totally up to you and what you like the look of. One thing to watch is when you are filling in, don't jump outside of your outline like I did here. Stay within your lines that we made in the beginning to keep that bunny shape. Alright, so now you're just going to go ahead and fill in your bunny. Do as much as you want, use as much of that yarn bundle as provided. Just make sure to leave a little extra at the end because we are going to add another outline. Once you reach the desired fullness of your bunny and you like the look, we will go ahead and do the outline. It is the same as the very beginning, but this will just be at the top of your yarn layers. The second outline is optional. I just think it gives a nice, clean look to your bunny. To tie off your yarn, I just take my scissors, cut the strand a little bit longer, it gives us more room to tie. Make that same loop from the beginning, and then tuck that loop onto any one of the nails. Pull it tight, and then taking my scissors again, I will trim that strand to about a ½ inch, and then use the end of my scissors to tuck that piece within the layers. This will help hold your knot so it doesn't come undone. Now we will add the pom-pom tail. Go ahead and get your hot glue gun ready. All I do is put a big glob of that hot glue onto the pom-pom, and then find my positioning on my bunny and just press it down. And there is our completed bunny. Go ahead and fluff up that pom-pom if needed to give it more volume. Thank you guys for watching. I would love to see some finished pictures.